welcome to UCAN Plumbing. I'm Mark the Plumber, and today I'm going to talk about a store called Menards, where you can save big money at Menards. Trust me, my singing voice, awful, but at Menards you're going to hear that jingle over and over again, and it's because you will save big money at Menards. Now, all this stuff that you see in front of me, I wanted to talk to you about it. I got it a little while ago. I wasn't sure, but you know what? If you're at all like me, I like to save money on stuff. And all this stuff here was almost all of it was free. Now, I'll start out, we'll go with these professional step bits. These bits are great bits. There will be a time and a place when you'll need them. They are awesome, they work great. They're not huge ones, but you'd be surprised how handy they'll be, and they were free. With a mail-in rebate, you get your money back, a store coupon for Menards. I believe they were on sale for $5. Get a mail-in rebate for $5. Then right beside it, here's a screw extractor kit. Now, it's not heavy duty or anything, but it comes with this nice little case. It's got 3 bits in there for screw extractors. We always need those things. We always strip screws. It just happens. Once again, free. Here's a Lennox multi-bit. Now these multi-bits, especially this Lennox one, I really do like these ones. This one's a ratcheting one. Very handy. It also has, what's it say here? It's got 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8. So that's super handy no matter what you're doing. Say you're doing something with your furnace, any kind of plumbing, all those gear clamps, for the most part, they're 3/8. If they're not, you have your 1/4 and your 5/16 there as well. It comes with the common screw bits. It's awesome. Great little product, on for $10. Like, you can't beat that for $10. Next, this is something fun for the family. These are for, I guess you could put a hot dog on it. You can put marshmallows roasting on the open fire. 34-inch extension. These things were $5. You could get 5 of them. I got 5 of them. And they were free. Mail-in rebate, so I'm getting $25 back for getting those things. Here is something I thought was kind of funny. I think they were on for $1 a blade. These are pruning blades. I believe it says right there. Not sure if you'll be able to see. In the back it shows you pruning blades. They're on for $1. I got 5 of them. Goes in your Sawzall. I thought, what the heck? Pruning blades. And they're free blades. Who knows what else I'll figure out what to use for them. Next, I picked up these PEX by Mail sweat adapters. Now, you might wonder, why would you do that? These are 3/4 inch, and this package I paid $1 for, and it has 2 of them in it. These are usually around $3, $4, $5 each, so I got $10 for $1. That's a pretty good price. You got to keep an eye on Menards for prices like that. Here is another phenomenal deal I got there. These crescent wrenches, these are water pump pliers, whatever you want to call them. These are big ones, 10-inch and a 12-inch. They've got a unique locking jaw system, but they were on sale for $10 with the mail-in rebate. I think they're $15. I get a $5 mail-in rebate. $10 for 2 pairs of pliers. That's $5 per plier. Now that's unbelievable, especially for water pump pliers. These ones also have the really nice big bulky handle. If you've ever worked with these things, you'll understand the real narrow handles, especially if you're really working on something and you're cranking it real hard. You're going to jab into your hands. And for $5 a pop, why not get some really nice ones? Last but not least, I thought this would be fun for the kids. These are those color flame packets. You just throw them into the fire. They burn different colors. Kids think it's great. You don't even have to open this up. You just toss the whole thing in, and it makes different colored flames. So hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you want to know more about Menards, I can do another video. I guess I'll just take a look and see how this one did. But I just thought this would be a nice little thing. They don't always have stuff on free, but right now I believe everything's an 11% rebate, which is pretty darn good. So if you've enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Please like, subscribe. That would be great, subscribing. Until next time, this has been UCAN Plumbing.